Just a quick reminder, AI stocks. Morgan Stanley have done a whole report on these, and they've picked 20, and you can see the names over there. I've done an analysis of these 20. If you're part of my Great Investments program, it's on the private Telegram channel up now. And whilst I agree with some of these, I disagree with others, I'm afraid. And it's worrying that I think they're quite off the mark with some of them. But I think quite good with others. So anyway, if you're on the program, you'll see the full detailed video. I've put it in for the private clients on there. Enjoy, like and follow for more videos where I will be going through specific stocks, and I probably will in future go through my views on here on, for instance, Adobe, Autodesk, Booking, Workday, Twilio, Spotify, Pinterest, Nvidia, ServiceNow, Lam Research, Intuit, Etsy, amongst others, Zoom, amongst others, Zoom. Anyway, I'll come back to those later on. So do like and follow for more.